Y'all know I love to show you what's blooming currently in the deep south, but right here in Mobile, Alabama. And today I'm standing under a dogwood tree. And they're so southern, and everyone thinks of them when they think of southern landscapes, but the dogwood is truly endangered here. There was a blight that came through, and I think it may still be a current thing that's killing so many dogwoods in our area. So it's really special when you can have one in your own yard, and I'm lucky enough to have multiple trees. You can see the one above me is the pretty common type, just with the single white bloom. I also have a pink one that's here that's gonna be blooming soon, and I'll show you guys that whenever it starts to bloom. It's a little later than the white dogwood, and then I have more in my front yard, but there's even double white dogwoods and several other varieties. So if you're lucky enough to have one of these in your yard, just know how lucky you really are, because there's so many people who theirs are dying or they aren't ever able to have one at all. I get a ton of questions about how you can get your own dogwood, and I have to be honest, the dogwood is one of the most independent plants that you can really come across, meaning that they choose where they want to go. Birds deposit them places and they grow generally as understory trees in forests and things like that, but they are truly not something that you can choose a place for. They have to choose their own home. So when you see them, enjoy them, because they're a truly, truly special tree.